calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown,